What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last upload. And we're back. It's been 2 months. Shit. Today we're gonna work on the Forester. I finally got a new set of coilovers. You already know what coilovers I get. Damn, they should just sponsor me. Yes, sir. Yep. So I have Fortune Auto for a GR. No, not GR. GD. Sorry, GD. I bought the Fortune Auto for GD. And yes, they're brand new. As you can see. The reason why I went with the GD as well, because if you go to Fortune Auto's website and you go shop for the Forester SGs, they don't have an option for the rear camber plates, and I wanted the rear camber plates, so I went with the GD with the rear camber plates. So these are not stock spring rate, by the way. The stock spring rates are 8 and 6. I went with the 10 and 8. Yeah, 10 and 8, because I want to lower the car as much as possible, but at the same time, you know, make it still drivable and, you know, it's functionality basically. It's my daily, so yeah, it's not too crazy. So yeah, they're all fresh built by, is that Tyler Jellyneck, whoever you are, but thank you for this. I wish it was sponsored, but it's not. So I just love the way Fortune Auto rides. So for you guys out there, I'm not sponsored by Fortune Auto. I just like how the ride quality of the Fortune Auto. So yeah, Fortune Auto, if you guys are watching this, please sponsor me, please. 2 of my cars are Fortune Autos. Come on, sponsor me. All right, so enough of that. Let's race up the car, remove the wheels, and start installing the coilovers. If you guys don't know, this is what my Forester looks like when I first have bags. Yeah, so my Forester used to have bag setup and KFs, and then after like a few months I got tired of it. I said I don't want the car anymore, and I said I'm just gonna part it out, put everything back to stock, and sell the car. So I had I had the side skirts before, USDM bumpers, front and rear, and I said I'm just gonna sell it. And the interior was tan, by the way. It was tan, like tan color, like brownish color. So I had a tan interior, and I said I didn't want it because of that color. I didn't really want a tan color interior. So I just said, you know what, I'm just sell it. I couldn't sell it, and I said, you know what, I might as well do a interior swap. So I did swap everything, and now going back on lowering the car, which I'm so excited because right now I got the pretty much full JDM body kit, and I'm excited to lower it again, and I got wheels for it too. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't watched my video how to lower your Forester for only $100, come check it out. You know, got 900 views. It's amazing. It's amazing seeing 900 views on that video. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen it, come check it out. And then let's get this view to at least 1,000 views, right? Let's get this views to 1,000 views. Let's do it. it is. Here it is. Stock double X strut. Then we get the Fortune Auto strut. Yeah, money. Yes, sir. Alright, now that we got the old one or the stock one out, let's put on the new one and then we'll measure, you know, how much. I don't know. I feel like I want to go lower more on this, but we'll see. We'll try it out. I'll put hello camber just cause I can always adjust it from the top. More is better than less. I'll put more camber so I could be part of a camber gang. Camber gang. So I'll probably need to go lower more. I'm gonna just dial in the fronts and the left front, I mean, so I could at least know how much low I'm gonna go on the right side as well, because I want it as even as possible. As even as possible. So I'm not gonna worry about alignment too much, because I'm probably just gonna do it myself. So right now I just want to have the perfect stance, not stance, but like track stance fitment. Yo, I think it should be good enough. For you guys that don't know, I picked up a set of a used T7Rs. It's a set 18 by 9.5. Yeah, I picked it up off a dude all the way from Gilroy. He was selling for hella cheap, so I just like, fuck it. Some carb rash though, but it's okay. I don't really care. We got center cap, so that's a big plus. That's why I bought the wheels. So, all right, finally done. The new coils are on the car with the new wheels. Oh man, this car looks so different now. You ready? You ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Yes sir, the car looks so freaking awesome. For you guys wondering why my front lip is not on the car right now, it's because I fixed it. I did some stuff for the carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber cover. I fixed some stuff, and then I'm not putting it on yet because I'm gonna send it the whole front and get it painted. So I don't want to put a new double-sided tape and then have to remove it again. So for now, this looks like that for now. But yeah, for those of you that are wondering what size I'm running 18 by 9.5 plus 38 on a 255/35. When I was installing the rears, I was having a problem because the rear wheels are rubbing against the coilovers. So for you guys that don't know, again, I'm saying this, for you guys don't know, if you guys are having an issue with your coilovers rubbing or your wheels rubbing on the coilovers, which on the rears for GDs and like Foresters, what you want to do is when you're tightening the bolt that holds the knuckle and the strut, you want to pull it towards you. So really pull it and then tighten it so that you'll have much clearance from your wheels to the coilovers. Yeah, so that's the only problem that I'd run into when I was installing the rears. Other than that, it looks looks different. Looks, oh my god, Forester vlogs are back, boy. Forester vlogs are back. So yeah, Forester vlogs are gonna come back for sure. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like. What do you guys think on this new setup? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to also like this video, and if you guys aren't not subscribed yet, you know, make sure to subscribe. 61 subscribers, we're getting there. Do me a favor, let's make this video 100 likes, please, for all of you guys. I know it's hard, I know it's impossible, but it's I'm speechless right now. Car looks different. So but yeah, anyway, thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.